wish you could just ask your ancestors for guidance and help? How valuable would it be for you to learn from your ancestors and gain powerful insights on the unique ancestral gifts that lie dormant within you? And how many of life's opportunities are you potentially missing out on because you aren't listening to your ancestors and leveraging their wisdom and guidance in your everyday life and business? Because the truth is, we don't just inherit our ancestors' physical traits and characteristics. We actually carry a wealth of ancient ancestral wisdom within us that's just waiting to be explored and leveraged in our lives. And one of the biggest misconceptions most people have is that either they believe that they have to spend a ton of time and money searching for their ancestors, or they may never even start looking because they don't know where to begin, or maybe they feel that they have too little information to work with and it just all feels so very overwhelming. But what if I told you that you can access your ancestors instantly, even if you do not know who your biological parents are? And what if I told you that you can dial into centuries of ancient ancestral wisdom without even leaving the comfort of your own home? See, your ancestors live inside of you, and the latest scientific research in epigenetics will tell you that your ancestors' lived experiences are actually encoded in your DNA. And if you've ever had any dealings with any of those ancestry analysis companies, you'll know that the first thing they're going to ask you for, apart from your money, is to send them some of your saliva, aka your DNA, so they can run a series of tests on information you've already given them. So how much more evidence do you need to assure you that everything you need to know about yourself and your ancestors already lives, breathes, and exists inside of you? And did you know that the fastest, most effective way to connect with your ancestors so that you can start to leverage their wisdom in your life, everyday life, is actually through the powerful process of guided ancestral journeys? Guided ancestral journeys allow you to journey through the mists of time and through the realms of your subconscious mind to connect with your ancestors and the ancient ancestral wisdom that lies dormant within you. So why get stressed and overwhelmed trawling the internet or wading through countless municipal records when you can use the powerful process of guided ancestral journeys to uncover some of the most important pieces of the 100,000 piece puzzle that is your ancestral history? That's why I've created a mini audio training that will show you exactly how to connect with your ancestors directly through the process of guided ancestral journeys so that you can seek guidance and support in relation to any problem or challenge you're currently experiencing. You'll also gain important insights around the unique ancestral gifts that lie dormant within you. And the best part, this mini training is absolutely free. To get your hands on this powerful free training and start listening to what your ancestors really want to tell you, simply click the link below this video.